Hi everyone. In this video and the upcoming videos, we're going to discuss the previous year JEE mains questions on matrices chapter. So here is the first question to solve. In this question, it's given as A matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix and a condition is given. We need to find the determinant of A square. So how to do this? While discussing the adjoint of A concept, we have seen few properties, right? I already told you to remember those properties. So in this question, we're gonna use these properties, that is determinant of adjoint A is nothing but determinant of A whole power n minus 1, where n is the order of the matrix, and determinant of any constant into A is written as k power n into determinant of A. So let's solve this question now. First is given as determinant of adjoint into 24A. This is the LHS we're going to solve. So how to write this? Using this property, we can assume this as A, whole A, and we can write it as determinant of 24 into A whole power n minus 1 is 2, because here n is 3. It's already given in the question. Now, we're going to use this property now, and we can write it as k is nothing but this 24. We can write 24 into n, 3 into determinant of a, this ka whole square. Okay, now we can write this as 24 whole power 6 into determinant of a whole square. Now let's solve the RHS side. It's given as adjoint of 3 adjoint into 2a. Actually, here it is determinant of this. So here also it becomes the determinant. Now, assume this whole thing as A and use this first property. You will write it as 3 into adjoint of 2A whole power, again 2 because n is 3. And now you can use the second property, that is 3 cube determinant adjoint 2A whole square. And now it becomes, multiply this square for this, it becomes 3 power 6. And again determinant of A. Use the first property and we can write it as 2A ka whole square and whole square. Right. Now it becomes 3 power 6. And again use the second property. You can write it as 2 cube into determinant of A whole power 4, which becomes 3 power 6, 2 power 12, determinant of A whole power 4. Now equate LHS and RHS. You will get as 24 power 6. Determinant of A square is equal to 3 power 6, 2 power 12, determinant of A power 4. Now we can write this as 3 power 6 and 8 power 6 into determinant of A square. 3 power 6, 2 power 12, मतलब 2 cube we can write, and 4 we can write, A power 4. Now this 3 power 6 get cancelled with this, and A square, here it becomes 2. Here it is 8 power 6, and this we can write it as 8 power 4. Now when we cancel this and this, we'll get as 8 power 2. Now we can write this as 8 square is equal to determinant of whole square. Determinant of a whole square is nothing but 64. So this is the required answer to this question. Again, 64 is nothing but 2 power 6, right? In this question, it is given as a condition is given, that is adjoint of adjoint A in the form of matrix is given, and we need to find the determinant of A. So again, adjoint concept, we're going to use the properties, that is what? A determinant of adjoint A is written as determinant of A whole power n minus 1 whole square, where n is the order of the matrix. So here the order is 3 itself. Now, using this, on the LHS side, it is adjoint of adjoint A. Let's keep the determinant, and we can get as determinant of A whole power 2 square, because n is 3. Now, on the RHS side, we should keep determinant of this, because in the LHS also we have kept the determinant. So for the easy calculation, just take 14 common in this. You will get 14 into cube, because we are finding the determinant, and the remaining thing is 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 2, minus 1, and 1. So now find its determinant, that is 1 into 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 2 into minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5, minus 1 into 1 minus 2 minus 1. We'll get 14 cube into 3 plus 10, 13 plus 1, 14, that is 14 power 4. Now equate LHS and RHS, you will get determinant of A power 4 is equal to 14 power 4. From this we can get it as determinant of A is 14. So 14 is the required answer for this question. In this question, A and B are two 3 cross 3 matrices such that A into B is an identity matrix, and determinant of A is given, and we need to find this value. So how to do that? First, the main property we're gonna use is determinant of adjoint A is nothing but determinant of A whole power n minus 1. And second property we're gonna use is determinant of K A is K power n into determinant of A. Okay, now let's find this value, that is determinant of adjoint of B into adjoint of 2A is nothing but use this first property, assume this whole thing as A, and we can write it as determinant of B into adjoint into 2A whole power 2, because n is 3. Here B is a matrix, it's not a constant. So we can write separately the determinants like this. Now again use the first property for this, assume this whole thing as A, and we can write it as determinant of 2A whole square into whole square. And we can write it as determinant of B whole square into, use the second property, and we can write 2 cube into A whole power 4. That is determinant of B whole square into 2 power 12 into determinant of A whole power 4. We know the determinant of A value, which is given in the question. That is 1 by 8, nothing but 2 cubed. We can just cancel this, and left over is B, determinant B square. One more important thing is also given, that is AB is equal to I. Now, if we apply determinant on both the sides, we will get as determinant of A into determinant of B is equal to 1, because determinant of unit matrix is always 1. And from here we can write determinant of B is 1 by determinant of A, that is 8. Now here we can write it as 8. Determinant of B is nothing but 8 squared, that is 64. Hence 64 is the required answer to this question.